A sneeze is our act of making a sudden involuntary expulsion of air from the lungs through the nose and mouth due to irritation of our nostrils. There is a sound of expelling air from the nose in a sneeze. Sneezing is possibly linked to sudden exposure to bright light, sudden change like fall of temperature, breeze or cold air, or viral infection that can lead to the spread of disease. We automatically sneeze to expel mucus-containing foreign particles or irritants and cleanse the nasal cavity. Sneezing cannot do during sleep because our body is almost completely paralyzed, and it is a bodily state wherein motor neurons are not stimulated and reflex signals are not relayed to the brain. Sufficient external stimulants, however, may cause a person to wake from their sleep for the purpose of sneezing, although any sneezing occurring afterwards will take a place with a partially awake status at minimum. So why you can sneeze with an open eye? Well, eyes automatically close when a foreign object attempts to penetrate inside your eyes. Your eyes are actually quite secure and your eye sockets are not connected to your nose, throat, and lungs, although a sneeze can erupt from your nose at an explosive of 100 to 200 miles per hour. It can transfer this pressure into your eye sockets to close your eyes. There are also no muscle directly behind the eye to violently contract and push the orbs outward. Eyelids are not big on muscle power, so even if they were tasked with keeping eyeballs in place, they failed. So why do eyelids snap shut when a sneeze comes on? It is because of our reflex. Reflex is an action which involuntary and nearly instantaneous movement in response to a stimulus. The nose and the eyes are linked by nerves. So the stimulation from the sneeze travels up one nerve to the brain, then down another nerve to the eyelids, then triggering a blink for most people. However, it is possible for some people to sneeze with their eyes open.